Assurances are made in Parliament and they are broken routinely. In 2016, Mr. Arun Jaitley and the then Environment Minister Anil Madhav Dave made repeated assurances in Parliament that the Campa funds, the compensatory afforestation, plantation money funds, would be used only with the approval and the consent of the Gram Sabha. And this was the point that some of us made, that you're completely bypassing the Gram Sabha, you're bypassing the Forest Rights Act, you're bypassing PESA, and assurances were given to us that when the rules are going to be formulated, this would be taken into account. But actually, the reality is that they have not been taken into account. The Forest Rights Act, which is a historic piece of legislation, which protects the rights of not only tribals and but also traditional forest dwellers, has been completely weakened from the point of view of environmental approvals. I'll give you one example. In April 2011, the Menda Leka village in Gadchiroli district became the first Gram Sabha to control trade in bamboo. And I remember when I had been to Menda Leka, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra was with me. The local leader, the tribal leader, Devaji Tofa, got up and he said, Delhi, Mumbai mein hamari sarkar, Menda Leka mein hum hi sarkar. And it is in that spirit that we transferred the rights of bamboo trade to the Gram Sabha. Now that has been completely reversed by the erstwhile government in Maharashtra. It's gone back to the Forest Department. So I think this is a government that can quote Sanskrit shlokas very frequently to show that it is committed to the protection of the environment. But it's not the talk that counts, it's the walk that counts. There's very little to object to the talk. पर्यावरण और विकास के बीच में संतुलन होना चाहिए, इससे कौन लड़ सकता है? सब लोग जानते हैं कि पर्यावरण और विकास के बीच में संतुलन होना जरूरी है, पर वो कैसे संतुलन लाया जाए? और ये संतुलन में जो कभी कभी वाद विवाद खड़ा हो जाता है, कभी कभी आपको ये चुनना पड़ता है, विकास चुनना पड़ता है या पर्यावरण संरक्षण चुनना पड़ता है, उसकी बात तो नहीं होती है. So I think walking the talk is more important than simply saying we are committed to environmental protection, which is the routine slogan that is used by those in power today.